Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the command that is chmod. So with the chmod, how to grant permissions to the groups. Okay. So in previous classes we have seen with the chmod command how to grant and revoke the permissions to the users. In this class we will see how to grant permissions to the groups. Okay. So now I'm in a home directory. So ls-l. So if you see here, we have a one file that is file 23. Let's take the file 23. So file 23 ls-ld file 23. So if you see here, Jagan is the user and group test is the group name of the group. Okay. So user Jagan has a permission only read. Okay, and group also has a permission only read permission. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide the permissions write and execute to the group test. Okay, how to do it? Let's see. Chmod. G stands for group. Okay, and the plus is for adding the permissions and write and execute file 23 name of the file. Now we have given the permission. Now let's see what permissions have been granted. So if you see here, uh, so the group has a read, write, execute permissions. So group test is the name of the group, and what permissions that we have granted, write and execute. Okay, read permission already has. If you see here, this is the before the permissions granted. This is after the permissions granted. This is after permissions granted. This is before the permissions granted. Okay, so with the help of chmod command, we can provide the permissions to the groups to the file or directory. So assigning the permissions or adding permission plus is used. Okay, so to grant the permissions or to provide the permissions to the groups, we use the letter G, and the plus is to add the permission and what are the permissions that we are planning to give. Write and execute I have given. So the group has a read, write, execute permissions. Right. Okay. So this is the group permission. Read, write, execute permissions.